In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace these door handles. For starters, you want to remove the bezel that goes around here. Oh, get backwards. Like so. Remove that. Then remove your door case. Disconnect any connectors. And then pull back the plastic. Then we're going to drill out these rivets. Now I already pulled the door cover off to save some time to make this video short. So let's begin. Alright, sorry about the angle. Hope this is close enough. Alright, first we have to drill out the rivets like I said. We gotta remove this casing. So what I do is I get a drill bit that's just enough to take out the centers of the rivet. So here we go. Pops the tops off just like that. Place all the, remove the rest. There's one hiding down here. Oh wait, that's on the bezel itself. Okay, now we did that. I'm just gonna remove this. Unhook your latch rod, your latch rods. Now we gotta replace it. I'm gonna get all these old rivets out using a punch and a hammer. Right there. Careful not to damage the glass. Open her up. A dull pair of scissors. Pull her out. Just got all her clips in. Open the door to lock it. Okay. So we have, let's see. Looks like we have one rivet holding this in. Right down here. We drill that one out. Fire up. We'll rivet out. Do that or pull it out. Alright, now you get the front side and you get your door handle. You take the piece that looks like a shark fin, you slide it up under like so. Line these up in the back. So all your pieces are lined up. Push it in. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. And there's one here where you're going to latch it with the, oh, that's supposed to go in the front. Okay. And we slide this into place, like so. It's slid into place. We have that out front. We have everything installed correctly. Have these all locked in. Now we install our rivet. Alright, now we got our rivet and our rivet gun. Now if you don't feel comfortable using rivets, you can use nuts and bolts if you want. Rivets are just a little bit faster. You rivet in. Make sure your rivet's nice and tight. You don't want the latch coming loose. Now we install these two rods. This is for your latch handle, and this is your lock. So when you put this in, this piece is going to go on the inside, this is going to go on the outside. So what you want to do first is connect your lock handle. Excuse my arm. This clicks in. You see that? Take it off here so you can see. Clicks right in there with the door handle itself. You just take this rod and push it right in that hole, and it'll click right in. I don't think I'm gonna be able to have you see it, but it's something like so. Get it lined up, push it in, 2 clicks. There you go. Now, we're going to do this plastic out of your way. I take that piece of, I'm going to call it shark fin. It's actually your lock lever. Just put it in like so. So now we got it in, lined up, all hooked up. Now we got to put our rivets in. Rivets in, start them. Get your rivet gun in, fasten them tight. Now we lined up all our rivets. Make sure everything's in place. Get the rivet gun on. Tighten her up. These pneumatic rivet guns are great. Especially when you're in tight spots. Here's the pneumatic rivet gun I was using. Let me zoom out. Air operated. Now what you want to do is make sure everything's latched up. Make sure everything is lined up, tight. Put the door back together the way you took it apart. And then you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please comment below.